Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful Jayco Jay Flight 184BS. It's a perfect little starter unit for that young family just getting started, just getting into the camper world. It's kind of got everything covered that you'd need, and it's very affordable. Nice little pass-through storage here, lots of room. Cute little awning for when you're at the campground. Let's go inside and check it out. Now it's pretty compact in here, but they cover a lot of bases. You got a nice bed there, a spot for another bed here, and a table. Your bunk beds are over here, which is nice. So for the nice young family, and I'll let Jim get through to check out the bathroom. For the money and the price for a brand new unit, a 2019 right around $20,000, it's got all the bases covered for you for a beginner RVer. A nice little fridge, nice little cooktop, microwave, all the kind of the basic essentials you need. Good amount of storage, a nice pantry over there. Storage up above here as well. And it's big storage. What I like about this, they put a little storage drawer down here, which is really nice. If you have any other questions about this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.